Seeing data recovery cannot be completed, please restore your iPhone from backup. Many iPhone users face this when recovering important data. In this video, we'll show simple steps to fix this error and restore your iPhone quickly. Part 1. Why does my iPhone say data recovery cannot be completed? Causes for failed iPhone data recovery: not enough storage on the device, corrupted backup files, software glitches from updates or restores, hardware issues like faulty storage, outdated iOS incompatible with the backup. Part 2. How to fix data recovery cannot be completed iPhone issue. Method 1. Restore iPhone or iPad from iTunes backup. Connect your iPhone or iPad to PC. Open iTunes or Finder. Select your device. Go to Summary or General. Click Restore Backup. Choose a backup and hit Restore. Method 2. Restore iPhone with iTunes Recovery Mode. Open Finder or iTunes. Connect iPhone and Recovery Mode. iPhone 8 Plus. Volume up, volume down, hold side. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold volume down plus power. iPhone 6s. Hold home plus power. Select device on PC. Choose Restore and complete. Method 3. Store iPhone through the DFU mode. If recovery mode didn't work, try using DFU device firmware update mode. This is a deeper restore method. Method 4. Fix data recovery cannot be completed error with iOS system recovery. If the error persists, use iOS system recovery. It fixes 150 plus iPhone or iPad issues, like Apple logo freezes, boot loops, or power problems, and supports all iOS versions, including iOS 18/26 and iPhone 17/16. Step 1. Select the iOS System Recovery option. Install and launch iOS System Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB data cable. Open the program and navigate to More Tools iOS System Recovery from the main menu. Step 2. Select Standard Mode. Follow the on-screen prompts and select Standard Mode to fix the issue without losing any data. Click Confirm, and the software will automatically detect your device model and display the appropriate firmware options. Step 3. Download firmware. Press the download button to get the firmware needed to fix the data recovery cannot be completed issue. Step 4. Fix the iPhone recovery cannot be completed issue. After the downloading process is finished, your device will no longer show the error, and it should work normally again. Part 3. Backup and restore iPhone with Professional MobiKin Assistant for iOS. If you encounter issues with iTunes and can't complete data recovery, you can try a reliable third-party tool called MobiKin Assistant for iOS. It provides a secure and easy way to back up and restore your iPhone data. How to back up your iPhone to PC. Backing up your iPhone data like photos, videos, contacts, and messages to your PC is easy. Just follow these steps. Plug your iPhone into your PC using a USB cable and launch MobiKin Assistant for iOS. In the program, go to Super Toolkit, select iTunes Backup and Restore. Click Backup to back up all data from your device. How to restore iPhone data from PC. Connect iPhone to computer. Open Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup and Restore. Pick Backup. Tap Restore. Selective Backup and Restore. If you only want to back up specific data from your iPhone, click the left panel to select the categories. You can preview the content and then click Export to back it up to your computer. When you want to restore this data, simply switch to the Import tab.